my test.
Companies for one of two reasons. People launch companies for one of two reasons. Either number one, to make money, which is the most common reason. Number two, something much bigger than that. They've got a mission. They want to change something. They want to do something that's going to help humanity. And that's exactly why we launched Live Good. First of all, the world is as unhealthy as it's ever been. More people are on prescription medication than any time ever before. Lifespans are going down. More people are overweight or obese than any time ever before. But people are waking up. They know they need a change. They know they need to do something. Unfortunately, the supplement space is one of the dirtiest industries in the world with low quality products, ridiculous prices. It's not helping people get healthy. In fact, in many cases, it's making people more sick. With Live Good, we created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet. We make them available for just a few dollars above cost so people can actually get healthy, stay healthy, do it in an affordable way without having to compromise, without having to lose money, and getting results. And on top of that, we have a full 90-day empty bottle money back guarantee on every single one of our highest quality products. Because if you're not getting results with the products, we don't want to take your money. We want you to get results. That's our focus. That's our mission. And that's what we're about. So to get the highest quality products at the lowest prices with full transparency, check out all of our amazing products at livegood.com. Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive. People are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago. While companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the Powerline above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the Powerline. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
Yes, so the check. Live Good, the most exciting company in the industry. Yan, see you at the top. Yan pang ating CEO, Ben Glinsky. Siya po mismo ang nagpo-present sa atin yan. Dito pa lang, makikita mo na yung may magandang intention talaga yung may-ari na dito po sa Live Good, sa pagtatayo ng Live Good. Sabi check. Live Good, the most exciting company in the industry. Okay, sound. Yes, salamat po sa Diyos at meron tayong na namang pagkakataon na itong good company na itinayo po. Kung napanood niyo po, yung una nating why and why it's taking over. Yan. Sabi po ng ating CEO, every company is launched for one of two reasons. Number one, to make money, the most common reason. Number two, or for something much bigger, and a mission to change the world. And Live Good was built for the second reason. Not just to sell supplements, not to mark up products and squeeze profits, but to flip the entire wellness industry upside down and give people what they actually need. The world is more unhealthy than ever. Most people can't afford the supplements they need, Live Good is changing that for good. Yan. Highest quality ingredients, lowest prices anywhere. A mission-driven company that actually cares. Yan. This isn't just a business, it's a movement. And it's just getting started. Yan. Kaya ngayon po, 3 years. 3 years pa lang po ang Live Good. Pero nasa 2.2 million na po tayo. Yan po, ganyan na po karami ang member, subscribers po ng Live Good. Yan. Kaya, ano po, ito binabalita po namin sa inyo. Nakita po namin itong magandang purpose ng company ng pagtatayo, hindi para kumita, kundi para makatulong sa mga tao na maging malusog, manatiling malusog sa pamamagitan po ng ginawa nilang highest quality organic na supplements. Kasi sa ngayon po, lalo na ngayon sa panahon ngayon, napakamahal po ng mga supplements. Hindi sustain yung mga tao ng pagbili ng supplements kasi nga po napakamahal. At ang masaklap pa po nun, mahal na yung mga supplements sa ibang company pero hindi pa siya talaga totally organic at merong pong mga halong yung mga ingredients na heavy metals or yung mga ingredients na makakasama sa ating katawan. Kaya napakaswerte po natin at masasabi ko po at pananampalataya ko po na itong 4 na corporate team ng Live Good ay kinasangkapan ng Diyos para itayo po itong Live Good. Kasi nga po, yung ating pong sinasabi at sinabi ng ating CEO, itanayo po ito hindi para kumita, kundi para sa mission na makatulong sa mga tao. At ito po yung 4 na corporate teams sa pangunguna po ng ating CEO, Ben Glinski, yan, with over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry. Ben knows how to help people win. Yan. Dati po siyang, nag-umpisa rin po siya sa katulad po natin na entrepreneur o dito yung distributor o dati rin po natin nag-umpisa sa katulad po natin na sumali sa ganitong business ng network marketing. Yan. Dahil nga po maganda po umaayos po yung kanyang unang-una, yung kanyang pag-uugali. Yan, kasi diyan po nasisira ang mga tao. Kahit magaling ka sa business o kung sa anumang iyong talento o pinagkaloob sa'yo ng Diyos kung saan ka magaling o expert. Pero kung ang ugali mo ay hindi maganda, hindi mabuti, ayan ang sisira sa'yo. Magtagumpay ka man ay hindi yan tatagal. Dahil sa pagmasama ang ugali mo, hindi ka magtatagal. Yan. Pero ang ating pong CEO, nag-umpisa sa mababa, pero ngayon, 20 years na po siya, meron siyang sariling kumpanya na successful po yun. Actually, sabi nga po ng ating yung kasama po niya at ng ating mga grad upline po sa US, kasi ang Live Good po ay sa Florida, USA. Yan, ang sabi po ng ating grad upline doon at ng kanya pong kaibigan, ito, si passport ko muna, si Noder Kasan, ang director naman po ng field development. Kaibigan po ito ni ating CEO. Kumbaga parang tatay niya po ito, ng ating CEO, na since 1998, Noder has been a top leader, coach, trainer, consultant, and company owner for some of the most successful companies in the health and wellness industries. Yan po. Actually, sabi po nila, 5 years na po na nagpahinga o dito ng ang ating CEO, Ben Glinski, sa network marketing. Pero yung company niya po, tumatakbo po yun, successful. Ang ibig niya pong ay nagpahinga po siya ng 5 years. Pero within that period ng pagpapahinga niya, kinausap po siya nitong kanyang kaibigan, tatay-tatayan niya, dahil ito talaga po ang si Mother Kasan. Isa po siyang coach talaga at consultant meron din siyang sarili niyang company na successful sa health and wellness. Kinausap siya ni Mother Kasan na dahil nakita nga po nila yung sistema na nangyayari sa wellness industry or ito sabi po niya, I've watched companies charge too much for low quality products for too long. Nakita po nila na ang mga kumpanya nagbebenta ng mahal na products na low naman yung quality o mahina yung quality. Yun nga po, kaya sinabi ko, mababa yung quality at ang masama nga nun, meron pang mga halong masasamang ingredients o nakakasama sa katawan nating ingredients. Kaya po, sabi niya, that's why we created Live Good, to bring you the best quality at the lowest price. Kinausap po siya ng kanyang kaibigan, Mother Kasan, na magtayo ng company kasi nga